Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own nose mask. So the first thing you have to do, this is the one I've already made. Okay, so as you can see, the only thing left is for me to attach the rubber to this area. So all you need is a simple fabric like this, and then the distance from here to here should be 21. Okay, then the width, that's from one ear to the other ear, should be about let's just say about 17 or so. So that should be the difference. So the length 21, here 17 or even 19. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and fold this area. I'm going to double fold it like this. You can use I'll fold it the first time, then the second time, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll do it on this area, that's here and here. Okay, you can use your needle and thread to do this, but I'll be using my sewing machine to do this. So when I'm done, I'll get back to show you guys what I've done. So next thing you have to do is to measure about 5 centimeters from here to here. Sorry, I said inches. This is actually 21 inches. Sorry, this is actually 21 centimeters, not inches. Okay, so like I told you, I've already folded the ends, that's the selvage. So after that, okay, so you measure 5 inch from here to here, then you fold. So I'm going to make another fold after that, about 3 different folds. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm just going to run a stitch from here, joining the folds together to where the folds ends. Then I'll also repeat the same thing on the other side. So I'll show you. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done folding it, and as you can see, I've already stitched the pleats together. So like I said earlier, you can use your needle and thread and do this. You really don't need to have a sewing machine to do this. So I'll go ahead and attach a bias. So guys, right now this is what I'm going to use. I'll use a bias like this, and I'm just going to place it like so. You can use a regular material to do this, you know. So I'm just going to place it like so. Okay, then I'll fold this in right here, and then I'll stitch it down first. I'll stitch this area down first. So remember to also cut from here, so you can also fold this area. So once I'm done doing that, I'll now fold this like this and then cover it up. Okay, just to have a very clean finishing. Like I said, this is what I'm going to do. You see that? So that's exactly what I'll be doing. So guys, so this is it. This is the back, this is the front. So we're just going to attach a little rubber from here to here. You know, you can use any rubber, or you can even use a regular material, okay, if you want, but I'll be using rubber, a tiny rubber, to attach it like this. Then you attach the other end, you fold it inwards like this, and then you attach it. So I'll show you when I'm done. Okay guys, so guys, this is it. I just had to reduce the length because I found that it was a bit too loose. Okay, so this is actually it, and it works really well.